Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying capabilities. Make sure the battery status API and charging events are available on the device. Once confirmed, load the 3 animation frames and the 0% right 100% progress sprite into memory so rendering is instant. Then register your listeners, on-charging change and on-level change, and set a 250 ms timer for smooth frame updates. You do this to reduce jank, low-latency assets, and frequent ticks. Keep the animation responsive while preserving battery. Now implement the core, map battery. Level to your frame index with linear interpolation so that 0 maps to frame 0 and 100 maps to the last frame. This smooths partial fills. When battery charging is true, switch to a pulsing loop that cycles highlight and progress. When false, display the static fill matching level. Throttle updates by ignoring sub 1% fluctuations or updates within 1 second. Because excessive redraws waste CPU and battery, this keeps the animation efficient and accurate. Finish by adding accessibility cues. Announce the percent and charging state and provide an option to disable animation. Persist the last state so when the app returns to foreground or reconnects, you resume without a jump. If you see flicker or stutter, debounce incoming events for 300 to 500 ms and predecode or rasterize images at load time. This prevents rapid frame swaps. By doing these final optimizations, you ensure the only way animation is smooth, accessible, and robust.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.